Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Programming with Gautam. So in the previous video, we have seen about the principles of OOPS, that is abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance and polymorphism. So today we'll be seeing about what is the abstraction and what is data, how to hide the data and what is information and all. So let me copy this and create a new Python file. Yeah. So I have a new Python file called as 002.py here. And let me tell you what is data first. What is data? Data is a collection of raw facts which have no meaning in real world. Data is a collection of raw facts which have no meaning in real world. For example, if I give this particular number here 2435, so this might be just be a number for you, but it is something for related to me. That is, it is the vehicle number that I own, the number of my vehicle that I own. That is 2435. So if I just give 2435, you'll not understand anything. For example, if I give TS05AB 2435, so it is clear that it is a vehicle number now. So if when I just give 2435, you'll not be able to understand what is that particular number. So when we are giving this particular complete detail about it, we are able to tell that it is a complete number, it is a vehicle number here. So for example, if I give 24 here, so here 24 is nothing but it might be a person's age or any person's data or anything like that. For example, if I give a number that is 952542532625, so this is someone's mobile number. According to Indians, it is someone's mobile number. If we show this number to a person outside India, he'll not be able to recognize unless and until he has this particular code here. That is +91 is India's code. So unless and until he has this +91 or +1, whatever is there, that country's code, he'll not be able to recognize that particular number there. Okay, guys. So similarly, we need to give that particular data a particular meaning. Only then we'll be able to understand what is that number or what is that data particularly about. So I have, for example, if we take a person might have a name, age, gender, blood group, address, father's name, mother's name, and so on, Aadhaar number. It might go on, so on. So there is no limit for this particular data according to a person. He might have a bike, he might have a car, number of bikes he owns, number of cars he owns, those bike numbers, those car numbers, the debit card details, credit card details, and so on. That goes on. So that particular, everything is the data related to a particular person. Okay, guys. So these are all these are raw facts, which that is name is a raw fact for that particular person there. Okay, guys. So what is information then? What is information? So here information is providing meaning to that data is called as information. For example, as I've already told you, here 21 is a data. Unless and until I provide proper meaning to this particular data, it does not convert into information. Like Vijay is 21 years old. So here, when you are viewing this 21, it is just a data here. You're not understanding what is that 21 related to, unless and until I write this particular line here, or tell this particular line. Vijay is 21 years old. We are giving meaning to this particular 21 number here. That is, Vijay is 21 years old. Unless and until I write this particular line, you're not able to understand what is this 21 here. Okay, guys. So why we came into this data is, it is since we are talking about abstraction, it is a process of gathering required data and hiding unnecessary data. So to know about this abstraction, you'll first need to understand data here. That is the reason we came into data here, guys. Okay, guys. So hope you have understood, guys. If you have understood, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Programming with Gautam. Thank you.